Okay, part 3. I'm just going to cut these off. Otherwise, I'll have to buy a new band. Nope. These are not going to fit on there. Nope, they just slide right off. So there is no part 3 at the moment. So every time I flush it, there's a chance it'll slide off. Well, there we go. We're just gonna go ahead and go with this. And next time I stop in, I'll look for a new band. But it seems this angle is working. Even in the photo, it's installed in the center, but this one is at an angle, so this should be this way. And as long as I keep the angle according, it stays on. If I hook it all the way to the left and it tugs left or right, it's going to pull it out of position. Just waiting for that toilet to fill up. So I went ahead and moved it over. I hear silence. Besides the fan and the dog barking, I don't hear the toilets moving around. Okay. Yep, so the water is a lot higher. It's closer to the line and hasn't moved. Let's do another flush test. It did not come off its hinges. And then when it drops, it should straighten itself out. Okay, so this is on crooked. This pipe and the base should be straight, but it's over shifted to the left. And if I connect this to the left side, and when you flush it, you pull it away, so it comes off the hinges. Okay, So the work's over here. And so I connected it to the right side, so it gets just pulled up to the center. And then after it falls down, it falls into place. Peace outside. Thanks for joining me. Sorry I made a part 3. And hope everything's going well. You know, Unhappily Ever After is a show that a lot of people don't seem to remember, besides Mr. Floppy, which was Bobcat Goldthwait doing the bunny. Hey Jack! And so it was when Who 53, they kept changing their name. In WB. In Columbus, it was like Who 53, Channel 53, and I guess they tried to do what Fox did. So I guess Fox got popular. It was 28 in Columbus. Fox got popular by making Married with Children, and they started